All right. So today we'll be talking about top 5 advice for new traders. Relevant advice before you place your first trade. These are things that I wish someone told me way back in the day, no? Na feeling ko makakatulong sa lahat ng mga bagong traders as they move forward and they start their trading journey. Okay. Number 1, learn to be a position trader. Now, I know lagi ako nagsasabi na dapat kilalanin mo yung sarili mo and dapat magte-trade ka in accordance sa kung ano yung personality mo. However, kapag bago ka pa lang, the first thing that you should possibly look at is kung babagay ba sa'yo ang position trading. Bakit? Kasi siya yung pinakamadali. Siya yung pinaka-stress-free. Siya yung pinaka hindi mo iisipin. And in a lot of ways, siya rin yung pinaka-simple. So sa mga bagong magte-trade pa lang, kung kaya nyong mag-position trade, kung natataon na nababagay yon sa personality nyo, and sa simula pa lang mahanap nyo na or ma-realize nyo na, okay, this works for me, then consider doing that first as you learn other things that you can do when yung mga scalping or day trading or whatever, swing trading. As you learn those, stick to position trading muna sa simula kung hiyang siya sa'yo. Ngayon, kung talagang nakikita mo hindi siya hiyang sa'yo, then maybe you want to take a step back, reassess, and then from there, see kung ano yung next na pwede mong subukan or yung next na pwede mong gawin. Pero sa pinakasimula, if you have to start somewhere, learn to be a position trader. Number 2, the plan. Now, kahit yung mga anak ko naririndi na sa akin when I always tell them to have a plan for doing X or a plan for doing Y, whether it's studying, whether it's doing a project, whether it's even just playing a game, no? The same can be said for trading. Now, a lot of traders that I know, that I talk to, walang written plan. Meron silang plano, okay? But it's more of a hodgepodge na parang pinagtagpi-tagpi lang na, sige, ganito gagawin ko kasi ganito, kasi ganyan. Okay? But wala silang written plan kung ano nga ba talaga yung dapat nilang gawin each step of the way when they trade. Now, when I say have a plan, it's not just have a plan for a specific trade. It's to have a trading plan as a whole. Okay? If parang meron kang sarili mong binder or book na nandun lahat nung dapat mong gawin sa lahat ng situation na pwede mong ma-encounter. That way, hindi ka nalilito. Diba? Hindi ka na-frustrate. Alam mo na, okay, if X or Y happens, this is what I'm gonna do. Kasi ito yung plano ko eh. Now, that's not to say that your plan's gonna be perfect, lalo na kapag yung unang iteration pa lang. Odds are, the plan is gonna go through a few changes along the way. Ganun talaga. Kahit ngayon ako, yung plano ko, every quarter or every 6 months, I try to check and see kung okay pa ba siya, relevant pa ba, nag-erode na ba yung edge. And then, kung kinakailangan, I update it na, sige, ganito na gagawin ko, hindi na ganyan, and so on and so forth. And para malaman mo kung ano yung dapat mong i-adjust, again, bumabalik tayo na dapat na-journal mo lahat ng mabuti. Now, the other thing kung bakit importante ang plano, is sa simula kasi, it's very important na ang gagawin mo is ganito lang. Kung wala sa plano, walang trade. Kaso lumilipad yung walang trade. Kasi ito, hindi ko nakita pero walang trade. Ganun lang dapat kasimple sa simula. Huwag mo nang habulin ang hindi mo nakita, huwag mo nang habulin ang hindi mo napagplanuhan, basta wala sa plano, basta hindi siya picture perfect, walang trade. Period. I promise you, that simple statement will save you a lot of heartache sa simula and will make you a stronger trader as you go on. Next, keep an open mind. Hindi ko kayo binibentahan ng insurance, no? Ang akin lang, when I say keep an open mind, dapat hindi tayo masyadong in love sa sarili nating analysis. I mean, I get it. You spend a lot of time looking at the chart, drawing your lines, placing your indicators, and so on and so forth. Ang ganda-ganda ng plano mo, ang ganda-ganda ng inisip mo. Okay, kapag itong asin, Napunta sa ganitong price, bibili ako. Tapos dapat from here, saktong-sakto yan. Magbabounce yan. Tapos pupunta tayo ng ganitong presyo. Hindi ganun yung nangyari. Diba? Hindi ganun yung nangyari. Anong gagawin mo? Frustrate ka. Maybe you do some revenge trades. Maybe you just punt a trade. Meaning, mag-trade ka lang just cause. Or, sabihin natin, meron kang plano na, kapag ito, sabihin natin, tong ali, napunta yan dito sa 25 pesos, for example, ikakat ko na. Bumaba. Pero dahil sobrang in love mo doon sa bullish bias mo, naniniwala ka, kasi sabi ng news dapat ganito, sabi ng disclosure ganito. You're so in love with your bias na kahit na binabato na ng market yung nangyayari sa mukha mo, hindi mo pa nakikita because you're not keeping an open mind. So always accept na just because meron kang plano, just because meron kang bias, just because meron kang nabasa, it doesn't mean na kailangan gawin ng market yun. The market will do what it wants to do regardless of what you think, what you feel, what you say, whatever. Alright? Next. The most obvious thing to do. Okay? So, what you want in general when you're looking for trades is to find the low-hanging fruits. Huwag mo nang pahirapan yung sarili mo. Huwag mo nang hanapin na, kasi kapag ito, nag-bounce siya dito, tapos tumama dito, tapos ikot-ikot siya dyan, tapos mag-range siya dito, tapos pag ganito siya, doon ako papasok. Ang haba ng proseso di ba? Sa simula, always look for the low-hanging fruit. Find the most obvious thing to do. If the market is bullish, what should you be doing in according to your plan? Di ba? If the market is bearish, what should you be doing in according to your plan? Tapos, kung ginawa mo yung mga yun na yun. Wala nang iba pa. You just find those low-hanging fruits based sa sarili mong analysis, based sa napag-aralan mo, based sa plano mo. And then, those are what you execute. Huwag mo nang pahirapan yung sarili mo na kailangan ko mahanap yung exact reversal point ng ganito. Kailangan mabuy ko to at the very low. Diba? Kailangan mabili ko yung SEB or yung SMC or whatever sa pinakamababang presyo, tapos pag after ko bilhin yan, dapat lumipad na. Huwag mo nang pahirapan sarili mo. Find the most obvious thing to do. Find the low-hanging fruit. And then, yun yung ititrade mo. Yun yung i-execute mo. Obviously, as time goes on, yung mga low-hanging fruits, dadami yan. Kasi dadami yung natututunan mo But regardless, you stick to those. You stick to the easy trades. Diba? Don't go for the harder trades. Don't go for the heart attack trades. Just go stick to the easy trades. Na ikaw yung nag-analyze, na hindi ka naikinig kung kanino. Ito yung nakita mo, naniniwala ka sa plano mo, gawin mo. That's it. And then finally, losing and winning streaks. I've touched on this before sa probability video natin. I'm going to link that in the description box below. But I want to briefly touch on it again because a lot of people forget yung significance ng losing and winning streaks. Number one, hanggang ngayon, whenever I go on a losing streak or whenever I go on a winning streak, I always stand back and assess my trades at the end of each day. It doesn't matter if I win 30 in a row. Okay? Kailangan ko pa rin umatras, hinga, tignan. Kasi, importante na hindi ka mag-Superman syndrome. Pag losing streak naman, importante na you step back, hinga, assess. Kasi importante na hindi ka madala ng emotions mo or yung need mo na makabawi. Kaya ka nakakakita ng trade kung saan-saan. Akala ng maraming traders na porket sinabi sa'yo, okay, 40% win rate tong strategy na to, then dapat you should win 4 out of 10 times. On average, maybe, yes. Pero we forget na we can lose 60 straight times and win 40 straight times, and that will still be a 40% win rate. You never know when the losses and the wins will come. Okay? You don't. You just don't. You work with probabilities, and that's it. But you can't say na, hindi, natalo na ako ng 4 straight times dapat yung next panalo na ako. Or, okay, nanalo na ako ng 3 straight times siguro yung next trade matatalo na ako. It doesn't work like that. So whenever you are on a streak, whether you're losing or you're winning, you always want to take a step back at the end of each day and reassess. Pangunahan mo yung emotions mo, whether they're good emotions in the sense na you feel invulnerable, or bad emotions na nadidepress ka dahil naiilang talo ka na. You always want to step back and assess at the end of each day, at the end of each week, at the end of each month, para hindi ka mauunahan or hindi emotion, whether it's from one extreme or another, yung mag-override ng trading decision process mo. Okay? And that's it, no? I hope na may natutunan kayo from this video. I hope na nakatulong to, lalo na sa mga bagong traders or sa mga newer traders. And if so, I would really appreciate it if you consider giving this video a like and maybe subscribe to my channel. And as always, guys, no, maraming salamat sa panonood. Good luck and happy trading.